What type of websites can you use to advertise with Facebook ads? In video 1, we mentioned that with Facebook ads, you'll become relevant the moment that Facebook starts showing your ads to all the right people that might be interested in your content, your software, your blog, or anything you have based on their age, gender, location, interests, and much more. The same can be applied in your own situation. The best way to find out what type of websites you can use to advertise with Facebook ads is by navigating the Facebook personal newsfeed. In my case, I'll use an older Facebook personal account to show you how to find out what types of websites Facebook has already approved to be used with Facebook ads. What you'll do is spend some time browsing your personal newsfeed, taking a special look at the ads labeled with the sponsored tag. They are mostly located on the right side of the newsfeed and occasionally on the principal newsfeed, where you see what people post. You just need to click on the ad and see where it redirects you. That's how you can get a really good idea of what type of websites are being advertised. You can refresh your newsfeed and look for other sponsored ads. I advise you to save a list of all of those websites so you can have several ideas on what is possible to promote with Facebook ads. You'll be surprised at how simple it is for the websites to be advertised on Facebook ads. It is based on the interests you have already optimized within your personal account. If you want to know more about how that got on your newsfeed, you can click on this little arrow, and then click on Why Am I Seeing This Ad? So you'll have a better understanding of how it works. If you'd like to manage your ad preferences, you can do so as well. This area is absolutely amazing. This is how Facebook gets you the greatest traffic ever. The traffic is targeted according to the user's behavior. Facebook shows ads based on things they think the user cares about. The user's preference includes information from his profile, but it also takes into consideration the actions he takes on and off Facebook. The user can add or remove preferences to see ads he'll find relevant. As you can see here, Facebook organizes all of your interests and actions into set categories. If you click on any one of them, you'll see a list of specific websites and resources directly related to that category. If you click on one of the resources, you'll see what action you took, which shows Facebook your interest for that particular website or topic. Let me tell you, it is a pure gold mine, and this is one way you can make sure Facebook will deliver you the greatest and most targeted traffic ever. Well, I think you have a pretty good idea of how to find out what type of websites you can use to advertise with Facebook ads, so you can make sure your websites meet the same standards. The good thing is that you'll see how all those pages look so simple. Many of them are inner pages you can create in huge domains like Fiverr.com. I advise you to make a big list of those pages promoted throughout the sponsored ads section, so you can make sure what type of websites have been approved by Facebook.